When it comes to home improvement projects that deliver both style and substance, few are as impactful as replacing your doors. In Scott, homeowners are realizing that upgrading entry, patio, or interior doors is not just about aesthetics. It's a smart investment that can significantly boost a property's market value. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enhance its appeal, a professional door replacement can offer exceptional returns. The first impression factor, curb appeal, plays a critical role in determining how buyers perceive your home. Your front door is one of the first features they notice, and it sets the tone for the entire property. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can make even a well-maintained home look neglected. In contrast, a stylish and sturdy new door instantly adds character and charm. Modern entry doors come in a variety of materials, including fiberglass, steel, and wood, each offering unique benefits. For instance, fiberglass doors combine the timeless beauty of wood with superior durability and low maintenance. Steel doors offer excellent security and weather resistance, while wood doors provide a warm, classic aesthetic. Choosing the right material and design can elevate your home's exterior and create a lasting positive impression that attracts potential buyers. Improved energy efficiency. Scott's climate can bring warm summers and cool winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Replacing old, drafty doors with energy-efficient models can greatly improve insulation, helping maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Modern doors are often built with advanced weather stripping, insulated cores, and energy-rated glass panels that prevent heat loss and reduce energy bills. Buyers today are increasingly eco-conscious and value homes that offer sustainability and long-term savings. By installing energy-efficient doors, you demonstrate that your property is up to date with modern efficiency standards, a feature that adds tangible appeal in today's real estate market. Enhanced home security. Another major selling point of door replacement is improved security. Older doors, especially those made of aging wood or outdated frames, can become weak and easy to breach. Newer doors, particularly steel and reinforced fiberglass options, come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, multi-point systems, and impact-resistant materials. Homebuyers in Scott often prioritize safety, and a well-secured entryway adds both peace of mind and value. Investing in a high-quality front or back door shows that you've taken steps to protect the home, which can make your property more attractive to families and first-time buyers alike. Modern design and customization. Today's doors go beyond function, they're a design statement. From sleek modern panels to rustic craftsman-style designs, the right door replacement can transform the overall look of your home. Scott homeowners can choose from a range of colors, finishes, glass inserts, and hardware to complement their home's architectural style. This level of customization doesn't just enhance beauty, it also allows you to match current design trends that appeal to buyers. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist contemporary feel or a bold, eye-catching entryway, updating your doors can modernize your property instantly and increase perceived value in the eyes of potential buyers. Return on investment. According to remodeling trends, door replacement consistently ranks among the top home improvement projects for return on investment, ROI. In many cases, homeowners can recoup a large percentage of their investment when they sell. This is because new doors improve multiple value driving factors, from curb appeal and security to efficiency and comfort. A new entry door, in particular, can serve as a focal point that elevates the entire property. When potential buyers see a well-maintained exterior and updated features, they're more likely to assume the rest of the home is equally cared for, increasing their willingness to pay a higher price. Final thoughts. Door replacement in Scott is far more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a practical, high-impact improvement that can substantially increase your home's resale value. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to improving safety and comfort, replacing your doors offers both immediate benefits and long-term financial rewards. Whether you choose a bold, modern design or a timeless classic, the right door can redefine your home's appearance and make it stand out in the Scott housing market. Investing in professional door replacement today could be one of the most rewarding home upgrades you'll ever make.